Very important news is coming. That is sudden U-turn. US removes map depicting POK and Aksai Chin as part of India. So basically, as you all might know, and even if you don't know, let me tell you that after the US-India trade deal, US posted a map of India because of the map that India follows, in which the POK and the Aksai Chin are part of India. So as you know, the world media and whole world follows a different map in which they show POK and Aksai Chin as the part of mm, China and Pakistan. And US earlier was even posting maps in which the Arunachal Pradesh was shown as controversial place or something like that between India and China. But then this year, both European Union, which is a very important thing, both European Union and US has posted maps of India with Aksai Chin and POK as its parts, and it was a very big step towards the PR game of India. The narrative could have been set in India's favor a lot if both of these maps stayed. But even though the map of Europe is still there, but the map that America has posted has been deleted. Many reasons are said for that. So as you can see here, this was the map that I'm talking about. And most people are saying that they deleted the map because, as you know, India pressured on US about the $500 billion statement that India, there is no way that India is going to invest so much on USA because USA is much richer country than India, and India's budget even itself is not as much as $500 billion. Just such a big number to be invested in such a big country and the only country in USA from a comparatively poor country like India. So when India pressured USA for this, they basically said that okay, we will delete that, and they even redacted that part. But along with that, they even they removed this map. Also, there are very important articles. For example, like they also the US fact sheet about the trade deal had also posted one important thing that according to this trade deal and because of this trade deal, India will now even remove the digital tax that was imposed on the social media companies of USA. Almost like 2% tax was being imposed, and India is taking the tax from these social media companies, which are so big and are operating at such a big scale of India's population. So basically, Trump started taking claims that because of because of this trade deal, Trump is the one person who has made it possible that now no tax will be charged on US trade, on US digital media. But even here, there's a very big problem. Actually, there was no tax. The tax was there, but very long time ago. But the tax were removed much earlier from the tariffs already. In one in 2024, and the second time in 2025, and all the taxes on digital media were already removed. But US is even trying to taking claim of that it is part of the trade deal, even though it's not. That India did it even before the trade deal had happened. Anything even near the trade deal. These are the reasons why most probably the US removed the map of India, mostly in aggression. Because, as you know, a very unpredictable, irresponsible, and immature leader is there who don't talk about the strategies. The actions are not long term, and he just works on emotions. If someone tries to praise him and pleases him, then he can do anything for them. If India tried lobbying to Trump, if India just praised and nominated Trump for the Nobel Peace Prize, India's relation with USA would have been much closer. But India didn't do it, unlike Pakistan. That's why India is facing all these. And India should face all this because India is not a weak country like Pakistan to start praising a president just for a little bit of favors. India knows that India has faced all this from USA even much earlier when India was much poor and with much slower growth rates. India certainly can do it right now as well, and we have to wait for just 3 more years and Trump will be gone. Also, even in Bangladesh, they took a huge advantage. As you know, the trade deal that happened between Bangladesh and USA, almost everything is open for USA from now on. And even the tax that has been removed, the 0% tax, was on the excuse that, I mean, was on mm, point that Bangladesh will have to buy the expensive cotton from USA to get that offer. Otherwise, it will have to sell its textiles at 19% tariff, which is still 1% higher than that of India. And yeah, very important news is coming related to it too. Many important Indian officials said that maybe India too can get that offer. That if we buy cotton from USA, we will we will, um, we will be able to sell them in USA on 0% tariffs. Even though India don't need to buy it, India has a very big agricultural land, and India produces a lot of cotton every year to make all its textiles. But India can get it too, and it might will be in a little bit of benefit of India in some terms. And these are the main reasons why the US removed the map. And I can say that for damaging India's, this India's PR, India's statement, and the India has been trying to show that POK and Aksai chain is part of India from a very long time. So it would have been a very great help if USA kept that map. But since USA deleted it, India again reached the back point. But it isn't a kind of loss for India because India has faced it from like decades. It's been almost 5 to 6 decades since the whole world is using Pakistan, POK as the part of Pakistan and Aksai chain as part of China. So it may take a bit long for the world to accept that they are actually part of India. And even if they won't, it's not a big deal. But it shows that how immature the US government is. They shouldn't have uploaded that map at the first place if they were not able to keep it. And yeah, the map that was uploaded from the European Union is still there, and it maybe is a significant change as well. So I'm News Welcome, and we'll keep bringing updated videos. Thanks and have a nice day.